As you know, that we are here again to give out two civil marriage celebrant certificates out, and the two celebrants today will be receiving the certificates. Ms. Solochana Wati, who is originally from Ba, and she's a social worker and advisory counselor, and of course a JP too, and she's worked in the elections office before. And we have also Mr. Iminoni Leka, who is from Budi Nasori. He's in fact a chief electrician at Royal Davui Island, and he is also worked in that particular sector for a period of time. As you know, ladies and gentlemen, that this civil marriage celebrant certificates we give out, we had amended the law a couple of years ago, where a person could apply of upright standing within the community and be able to, for a sum of $3,000, able to get a certificate which allows him or her the opportunity to be able to conduct marriage ceremonies, wherever people want that conducted, and of course charge a fee for that too. That's up to them, between them and whoever they conduct in the civil marriage for. As you know, that Fiji is becoming very much also a marriage destination. Some of you should probably follow suit. It's become a marriage destination, and a lot of tourists do come. Sometimes people want to get married at very odd times, at different times of the day. Some people want to get married at very unique locations. So these are the type of celebrants who provide that service. We also have a lot of former Fijians who return to Fiji to get married. And some people may want to get married in a park at 4 p.m. in the afternoon, or get married on a sandbank or somewhere up in the hills of somewhere, overlooking a particular area. So when we have good upright marriage celebrants available, people also sometimes want a civil marriage celebrant. Some people may get married, for example, in a faith-based setting, but may also want to have a civil marriage somewhere else. So these are the kind of opportunities that we're offering, and I'm very glad to announce today that Ms. Wati and Mr. Leka will be getting the certificates today. I'd like to give them, maybe ladies first, I give them first. Certificate, congratulations.
Thank you very much.